You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in name, originally from Hebrew and the Bible. It is used as a unit of dry measure of ancient origin found in the Bible. If you want to learn, by the way, more names from the Bible, biblical names, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. The name itself is pronounced as Seah, also in Hebrew, Seah, but in English it's more commonly pronounced as Seah. Now, therefore, as a unit, it can have a plural, and the plural is going to be similar as seahs, seahs, seahs. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.